Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back. Enthusiast back, and I have this 98 BMW 323 IS series. Yeah, and guess what? I'm gonna show you how to do the rear brakes, alright? The rotors and brake pads, just for you, alright? So yeah, before I get into the action, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. Every time I upload something new, you're gonna be the first one to know. Share this video and the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Okay, hit the like button too. Don't forget to support the channel. Leave your tip on the table. Yeah, alright, let's get it. Let's do it. Hey. So we gotta remove these lock nuts first. They're not lock nuts, they're studs, or whatever you want to call it. I want to use a 17 millimeter socket. Yeah, shout outs to Pittsburgh. Just like that. Alright. Now remove the tire. Now this is what we're dealing with. See the bracket right here, the same as the Jeep. Okay, nothing new. Gotta remove this before we start removing all this. Alright, I'll remove this one with Allen. I'll let you know which one, what size. And yeah. Oh, this is a stick shift, by the way. So do me a favor and release the handbrake. Okay. See in the back what we got. There's gonna be another Allen, alright, and this I want to say 17 millimeter socket, alright. There's two, one there and one right there, alright. Yes sir, yes sir. Alright, for this guy right here, we're gonna use the 6, alright. And for this guys, we're gonna use the 7, okay. For this one right there, alright? Yeah. We come over here. I'm gonna use the impact though. It's up to you if you wanna use the electric gun. Okay. Just gonna put it right there and just like that, alright? And I tell you how to remove this bracket. Yeah. Grab your, alright, push it right there. Pop. Pop. You come over here, just like that, alright? Pick back. Yeah. Alright, let me give you a trick just for you. You see this thing right here, it is kinda big, right? If you put it with the ratchet, you're just gonna be like able to lose it, okay? But if you keep loosening it, it's gonna eventually hit here, and then you're gonna be trapped, right? Or here too. You see, not much gap, right? So, I'm gonna do a trick right here. Alright. You could use this extension with the Allen, or you can just choose the L Allen, okay? But you wanna do it faster. It's up to you what you wanna do though. You can do it with this only on top. Okay, it's gonna work, but it's not gonna work on top because you see that it's hitting here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna grab the pry bar. You see that? I'm gonna push the piston back. You know what I'm saying? Now I have a bigger gap here now. You need? Yeah, but if you don't have any of those tools, just do it with this guy. Alright. It's gonna take some time though, but eventually you're gonna remove it though, right? Alright. That's your last option, okay? So I give you 3 options. You pick the best one fits with you, know what I'm saying? Alright, once you lose all these 2 Now you can remove the caliper. It comes with the pads. Now this, guys, you don't have to do it with a wrench, alright? Because you don't have too much space over here. Unless you remove this guy, okay? Push it to the side, and then you're gonna have more space. But you don't wanna do all that. It's up to you though, okay? I would lose it with the wrench, okay? And then do it with the electric gun. If you don't have electric gun, use the ratcheting wrench. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm gonna use a 16mm wrench, just like that. All right. This too. If you don't have this ratcheting wrench like that, use the electric gun. If you don't have the electric gun, then that will suck. You're gonna have to do it just like this. Okay? The old style. You know what I'm saying? But it's valid, it's still valid. Me, I'm just gonna do it like this. Feel me? Yiddy bracket come out. You know the deal, just brush this with the wire brush. You know what I'm saying? Brush it right here. Same over there too. Alright. So once you brush it, it should look like this. Yeah, I mean, man, clean. Now, put some grease, you know what I'm saying? And it should be good to put it back. Yeah, I mean. Now this guy right here, all you gotta do is like this. Tap it good, alright? Like that. Or from the back. Like that. Don't forget to loose the handbrake, okay? Hala. Now remove the rotor. Just like that. This is the other one though. It's up to you if you want to brush this. Brush it, okay? Put some anti-seize. Spray some brake cleaner around here. Over there. Okay? Clean it, know what I'm saying? Something like this. Alright. What a whoa, whoa. What a whoa, whoa. Da, da. Now you come through with the brush. This is for the rotor don't stick to this thing. I forgot the name. Fuck. Huh. Hey, hey. So like I said, clean it. If you have this, that would be good. It's not necessary, but if you pick it like that with your own car, you know what I'm saying, you can do it. Yeah, I mean, grab some. All right. Put it right here, like that, all the way around. Paint it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Now this guy right here, just remove it, okay? Remember, the pad that goes against the piston is gonna have this, okay? So just gotta push it in like that. Like that, alright? Now I'm doing all this with one hand, cook. Okay, you don't need to push the piston back because you push it back like before, you know what I'm saying? With the pry bar. And Now you just grab the new rotor, put it back. Don't forget to put the bolt that goes here. You know what I'm saying? And put everything back. The install procedure goes in reverse. Yeah, I mean, I hope you like this video. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Do that for me. Hit the like button. Hit the bell. Hit the bell every time I upload something new. You're gonna be the first one to know. You know what I'm saying? And support my channel. Alright. Leave the tip on the table, you know what I mean? And that's it. Alright. If I'm not back to show you how to put the rotor and all that, how to put it back and all that, well, that's pretty much it. You can't get lost. Alright. But if you have any questions, just put it in the comment box for me. Alright. Any feedback, put it in the comment box, okay? Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. It was a stool. You know what I mean? Catch you in the next one. I'm out. See ya. Alright, before I go, I'm back. Okay, you see this? This is the passenger side. It has a sensor. Do the same as I told you before, okay? Don't worry about damaging that because you're gonna replace it, okay? And the wire comes all the way around, as you can see, okay? It goes like this, goes over here, and it connects to this box. Okay, that box, you're gonna open it. It has some clips on top. Now just open it like that, and you just gotta follow the wires. So it's this one at the bottom. Okay, pull it like that, pull it like that, and now, see this clip? Push it down and pull it. So yeah, if it breaks right there, just be careful though. Try to tape it with electrical tape, the black one, okay? It breaks because it gets brittle, okay? So yeah, just pull it, and that's it. Remove this wire and all of that. Before you move it, put the brakes and all of that first, and this is easy, okay? So yeah, once you put the brake pad, okay, follow the old line, connect it the way it was, put it back, and close the box. Alright? If you have any questions, just holla at your boy. Alright? Put your questions and all that in the feedback in the comment box below. Alright? Catch me in the next one. Holla at your boy. Don't forget to support the channel. I say it again. Don't forget to support the channel. Alright? Leave the tip on the table. Damn it. See ya.